pumpkin carving with Carol, your mother. So the idea is to get a nice big pumpkin that's going to fit the face that you want. So, and it has to have a nice long or good stem. So I've already cut the tops off. I cut this off. I haven't cut this off yet. So you just cut this off, and then you take all the seeds out, all the goo. Take all that goo out. And then you pour it over here. Okay. Pour it over here. And then usually you have helpers that are going to come over here and get all the seeds. But since I don't have any helpers today, I'll have to do it myself. So I've done a few already. But the next step is to take your seeds over to the sink. You're going to rinse your seeds of all this orange goo. See all this orange goo? Like this stuff? You take it all out. You get them nice and clean. It takes probably about 5 minutes or so. See all the orange goo that comes to the top? You want to get rid of all that stuff. And you have to use one of these sieves. Okay. So once your seeds are all cleaned, you're going to dry them. Okay, next you're going to dry your seeds. And if there's any extra orange goo, you're going to take that out of there. So just pat them dry as much as you can. And then you're going to come over here to the oven, and the oven has been preheated to 350. And then you're going to take some butter, a couple tablespoons. Melt the butter. Now I'm going to take my dried pumpkin seeds gently, if I can get them over here, and put them in my melted butter frying pan. And then you're going to fry them up. Next we're going to add Johnny's seasoning salt.
How much?
To your taste. I do quite a bit. It's probably a couple tablespoons, I'm guessing. But, because you're going to sprinkle it, a couple more times. And you want these a little, not burned. You want them a little brown.
Not caramelized?
Don't burn them. I've been cooking the pumpkin seeds for about, 5 or 6 minutes on medium heat. And they're just starting to turn brown. And now I'm going to put half of it on one cookie sheet and the other half on the other cookie sheet. Okay. And then after I've I'm going to spread them around a little bit. Try to have a single layer.
You put anything on the bottom of the pan?
I didn't. Hopefully I don't remember putting anything on. A spray of Pam might have been a good idea, but since I forgot, then we'll see if it's okay. And then one more coating of Johnny's salt. And now I'm going to put them in the oven, 350 degrees. And this takes, you got to watch them. I would say after 10 minutes you should look at them. After about 10 minutes, look at them and make sure they're not too brown. And then after 10 minutes, you want to try and flip them over, move them around a little bit. Anyway, and that's pumpkin seeds. It's been 10 minutes. Timer just went off, so I'm going to check them. When it was about 5 minutes, I turned them over. It looks pretty good. Not too burned. Now see, I like mine a little bit more crunchy, but let's take one, see how it is. Maybe about 2 more minutes. So one last thing of Johnny's, and there you go. And then of course the carving. This was supposed to be pumpkin carving. It was mostly cooking pumpkin seeds. So anyway, I'm gonna carve them later. Happy Halloween, everyone. I love you all. Okay.